What if I could show you a way to create the kind of life that you desire to manifest? We all desire that, and we all struggle with that on some level. I am Landria Onkka, and I help thousands of people to move past their self-limiting blocks and the challenges, the worry, the frustration, to create the kind of lives that they desire. You see, we all struggle with that, and we're all seeking the techniques, the ways to create and manifest those lives. We know it's possible, but yet somehow we can't quite get there. We struggle with the job or the finances, the relationships, the inner peace. Well, I have developed an e-course that simplifies this. In fact, I have helped thousands of people to change their lives. You can check me out on my popular YouTube channel. I was a former investment banker. I've accomplished a lot of amazing things in my life. I've moved past my fears to manifest wonderful things that most people would dream of. But I'm here to show you how to do it. You see, I quit my job. It was my company. And I went after my real dreams when I wasn't resonating with the financial industry. I wrote a best-selling award-winning book, which is now a television movie. I went after my dreams of being an independent business owner with no restrictions and stress like I had as an investment banker. And now I live a life as an internet entrepreneur, helping other people and really living the life of my dreams. And you can do the same. You see, I see people struggling with law of attraction, and I wondered, what is it that stops them from using these amazing powers that they have? And I realized there's just another simpler way of looking at this. And I created a 6-week online course for people to go in and really look at where their beliefs lie and what's limiting them. Now, I'm going to make this course available to you along with a weekly free workshop that I've created for you, giving you the tips and the thought patterns that you can break through to create that life. If you click here or somewhere on the screen, you can go into that email list and learn about this e-course that's available, and also get those weekly emails that can help you to change that thinking, to open up the blocks, to create the new beliefs, to create the new reality. I hope you'll join me. Click somewhere here on the screen and you'll learn more about myself, the course, and all of the teachings that I've provided for years that have helped, as I mentioned, thousands of people to break through their fears and change their lives. I hope you'll join me. Click somewhere on the screen. Come on over and check it out. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. It's free. But I hope you go after your dreams. It's never too late, and nothing should restrict you. That's just the story in the head. Come on over, click, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for listening.